your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I got my wig from this to this, then stay tuned. I achieved these crimps by using the Ion Titanium Barrel Waver. And yeah, y'all just keep watching to see the results. So I purchased this crimper from Amazon for about $100. It has a heat setting that goes up to 450. On the side here, you could see that the buttons, you could adjust it so you could turn the heat up or you could turn it down. It has an LCD display screen, as you see there. And I believe it's auto shut off, so if you do leave it plugged in for some reason or forget to unplug it, it shuts off automatically. Now let's get into this wig, okay? This wig is a 13x6 lace frontal from my company, LuscioussMink. It is a straight 28-inch. And it is available for purchase on our website. I'll drop the link right there where you guys can shop. So anytime I'm either crimping or curling hair, I love to use this hairspray. It's the Sebastian Shaper Plus, and it definitely makes your curls or your crimps last longer. And yeah, I definitely highly recommend this anytime you are crimping or curling hair. So this is the results once I finished crimping it. It came out so cute. I definitely recommend this crimper. I loved it and I will be using it again. Crimps are just giving. Yes, look at that flow. Definitely a 10 out of 10 crimper. The only thing I don't like is crimping takes forever. This literally took me like a little bit over an hour to crimp, but it was so worth it because look at that wig, y'all. Now I've done wore this wig about 4 or 5 times already, so this is gonna be like my 5th or 6th install. And y'all, just look at that quality. Like after just washing and conditioning the hair, it comes right back to life and it looks brand new again. Those crimps are so fresh, the hair is flowing, and yeah, stiff wear. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, love y'all.